हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं पिंकी। आज मैं लेके आई हूँ TY बीकॉम ऑडिट एंड टैक्सेशंस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स चैप्टर फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ऑडिटिंग एंड ऑडिट प्रोसेस। तो चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। कॉस्ट ऑडिट प्राइमरी कवर the dash aspects of the enterprises. Option is financial, cost, human, behavioral. The answer is cost. Second, when the auditor's staff is engaged continuously in checking the accounts of the client during the whole year round, or when the staff attendance audit work at the same intervals, is called as dash. Option is a balance sheet audit, voluntary audit, continuous audit, concurrent audit. Answer is continuous audit. Dash means examinations of financial statements and express an opinion of them. Option is financial audit, cost audit, balance sheet audit, concurrent audit. Answer is financial audit. Propriety of efficiency of decisions and managerial actions are studied in dash audit. Option is financial, management, cost, human. Answer is management. Next, audit technique refers to the method and means adopted by the auditor for collections and evaluations of dash. Option is a financial information, audit evidence, cost data, audit procedure. Answer is audit evidence. The audit which is prescribed by law, that is governing by statute or by regulation, is dash. Option is concurrent audit, statutory audit, voluntary audit, financial audit. Answer is statutory audit. An audit which is a conduct between two annual audit is called as. Option is interim audit, balance sheet audit, concurrent audit, continuous audit. Answer is interim audit. Dash imply verification of transactions of a year on a continuous basis. Option is concurrent audit, continuous audit, statutory audit, cost audit. Answer is concurrent audit. Dash means auditors review the balance sheet and work back to the book of original entry and other evidence. The option is balance sheet audit, continuous audit, concurrent audit, cost audit. Answer is balance sheet audit. Dash helps the company to public interim financial statement, deductions of interim dividend. Option is interim audit, balance sheet audit, continuous audit, cost audit. Answer is interim audit. The scope of a voluntary audit is defined by dash law, letter of engagement by ICICI, prospectus. Answer is letter of engagement. Auditor performs dash of the items in the financial statements. Option is analytical review, testing, sampling, compliance procedures. Answer is analytical review. Dash refers to the methods employed for carrying out the audit procedure. Option is sampling, testing, techniques, materiality. Answer is techniques. Dash is purely optional and at the discretion of the governing body. Option is concurrent audit, statutory audit, voluntary audit, financial audit. Answer is voluntary audit. In dash assets and liabilities are verified only at the time of finalizations at the year end. Option is concurrent audit, voluntary audit, financial audit, statutory audit. Answer is concurrent audit. The primary objectives of auditing dash. Option is to deduct error and frauds, to express true and fair opinions on the books of accounts, both A and B, to prepare books of accounts. Answer is to express true and fair opinions on books of accounts. Next, the secondary objective of auditing is to dash. Option is to deduct error and frauds, to examine the financial reports and express an opinion on them, to express true and fair opinion on books of accounts, both A and B. Answer is to deduct error and frauds. Types of audits on the basis of duration, time, periodicity are dash. Option is annual audit, interim audit, half yearly audit, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Posting in a wrong account is an example of dash. Option is errors of commission, errors of principals, errors of omission, none of this. Answer is errors of commission. The accountant has not given the second effect of the transactions in the books of account is an example of dash. Option is complete omission, partial omission, fraud, none of this. Answer is partial omission. Next, dash errors are hard to detect from trial balance. Option is complete omission, partial omission, both A and B, none of this. Answer is complete omission. When the accountant has not following the accounting principles is the example of dash. Option is errors of commissions, errors of duplications, errors of omissions, errors of principles. Answer is errors of principles. Unintentional misstatements in financial statements means dash. Option is fraud, misappropriations, errors, all of the above. Answer is error. When the same transaction is recorded twice in the book of original entry, the errors is called as dash. Option is misappropriations, errors of principals, errors of duplications, errors of omissions. Answer is errors of duplication. The process of dash beings when the process of accounting completes. Option is bookkeeping, investigation, auditing, all of the above. Answer is auditing. Dash refers to the critical and analytical investigation of financial records. Option is auditing, bookkeeping, accounting, investigations. Answer is auditing. Dash refers to intentional or omission of a disclosure of amount in financial statement. Option is errors, fraud, misappropriations, all of the above. Answer is fraud. Dash means the information based on which the auditors gives his optional and prepare audit report. Option is audit notebook, audit working paper, audit evidence, all of the above. Answer is audit evidence. Internal audit is also referred as dash operational audit, balance sheet audit, post and vouch audit. None of this. Answer is operational audit. Which of the following is not a employee fraud? Option is embezzlement of a cash, misappropriation of a goods, management fraud. None of this. Answer is management fraud. Type of audit on the basis of ownership dash. Option is private audit, government audit, annual audit, both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Records of all details during the process of audit kept by the auditor is known as dash. Option is audit evidence, audit notebook, audit documentations, audit reports. Answer is audit notebook. Dash is defined as an investigation of some statements of figures involving examinations of a certain evidence so as to enable an auditor to make a report on the statement. Option is audit, bookkeeping, accounting, management accounting. Answer is audit. According to ICAI, the term dash refers to an international act by one or more individual among management, those charged with governance, employee, or third parties involving the use of a deception to obtain an unjust or illegal advantage. Option is error, fraud, mistake, embezzlement. Answer is fraud. Dash is a unintentional mistake in the measurement or presentations of a financial information. Option is error, fraud, mistake, embezzlement. Answer is error. Dash is a register maintained by the audit staff to record important points, observe error, doubtful queries, explanations, and clarifications to be received from the client. Option is audit report, audit working papers, audit program, audit notebook. Answer is audit notebook. Dash are those papers which contain essential facts about accounts which are under audit. Option is audit report, audit working papers, audit program, audit notebook. Answer is audit working paper. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो। ऐसे ही वीडियो देखने के लिए पिंकी चौरे यूट्यूब चैनल लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। इसका सेकेंड चैप्टर मैं जल्दी ही अपलोड करूँगी। ऐसे ही वीडियो देखते रहिए।